Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin if you're new, and I make videos on travel, wedding planning, corporate day in my life, and product reviews. Today we have a very exciting video. I know these typically do pretty well on my channel, and that is product empties. All of these products I've used up over the course of about the last 6 months or so. And what I do is I review the product, give you a little snippet of is it worth your money or is it not worth your money, and kind of highlight key features of the product. So if you like videos like this, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and keep watching. So the first product I used up, I've had this for a while, and that's the Bed Head Hard Head Extra Strong Extra Firm Hairspray. This hairspray is truly the best. And I've been out of it for a couple months now, and I really need to pick up another one because I just curled my hair for having some friends come over, and I sprayed my hair with Tresemme hairspray, and it just doesn't do the job. This really is the best hairspray if you want your hair to be locked in, to hold curl. This is it. And it's also pretty affordable. It's like 20 bucks at Ulta, but a lot of times they run promotions and you can get it for even less than that. The next product I used up is the Niacinamide and Zinc from The Ordinary. This is really great if you have acne. It's kind of like a cheaper version of the Honeymoon Glow product, and I use this on my chin to help prevent acne. As soon as I feel like a breakout coming on, I'll put this on, and it really helps shorten the duration of your acne, kind of reduces the pimple size, the redness, all of that. So really great product if you struggle with acne. Of course, you guys know I'm a big Bath & Body Works fan. I used up Magic in the Air. I honestly forgot how good this scent is. It's very ethereal, light, floral. It smells so good. I absolutely love the shower gel. This is not exactly used up, but I decided to include it in here because I am getting rid of it. I've had this perfume from Victoria's Secret for a long time. It's called the XO Victoria, and I just simply do not wear it. It was sitting under my sink, taking up room, and it's a nice perfume, but I just have so many other perfumes that I gravitate towards, so I am decluttering this perfume. I used up the Batiste Dry Shampoo in Edgy and Romantic Tempt scent. I really do think Batiste is a great shampoo. I've heard some controversial things about how good it is for your hair. So I do try to use the Dry Bar one, but this smells really good, and it definitely was a quality shampoo for a really affordable price. So I like this product, and I probably would repurchase it. I used up my favorite cleanser from Neutrogena, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost with hyaluronic acid. Great everyday cleanser, great if you want a little bit of hydration in your skin, but you also struggle with acne. I have oily skin, and I think this product is good for anyone with normal to oily skin. If your skin is super dry, I probably wouldn't use it, but it is a good product, and it's been a cleanser I've been using for years now. I used up the Briogeo Superfoods shampoo. This is so great if you have oily hair. It doesn't weigh your hair down. It's just very cleaning and very refreshing. And honestly, even though this shampoo is a little bit pricey, I feel like it lasts me a long time. There's a lot in this bottle, and you don't need a ton of this shampoo. Each time you wash your hair, a little bit goes a long way. This product I've had for years now, and that's the NARS bronzer in the color Fallacies, and I just really used it to the ground. Honestly, I almost hit pan on this. It just wasn't coming off very well. You could just tell the product was expiring. And so I switched over to a Nude Sticks bronzer, but I love this bronzer. It's great if you have fair skin with that pinkish red undertone like me. It's a very nice bronzer. I used up a Rare Beauty under eye concealer. I like this concealer. I didn't love it. I feel like it was expensive for how small it was. And it's also a pretty light coverage, at least in my opinion. I prefer something a little bit more full coverage like the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, but if you want that more natural look, this is good. I did think it was really brightening, so I like that, but I probably wouldn't repurchase this just based on the fact that I think you can get a better value of other concealers out there. I picked up the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin shampoo, and I use this all the time. It's a really great detangler, doesn't weigh your hair down, and I use this a lot instead of conditioner, and I already picked up another one. I used up the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is very moisturizing. It's a great winter moisturizer. It is pricey, but I got it on sale at Ulta, I think last year, either on 21 Days of Beauty or Black Friday, so it's a good moisturizer. I'm not going to say it's a must-have product, but it's nice. I used up the Fall in Bloom shower gel from Bath & Body Works. Oh my gosh, the scent smelled so good. It smelled like leaves in a shower gel version. Absolutely loved it. I used up the Maybelline 30-Hour Wear Foundation in Classic Ivory. Maybelline foundations, they just don't do it for me. They're actually like too matte for my skin, which is so weird because I have very oily skin, but I find them very, very matte and very hard to blend. This shade was also nowhere near Classic Ivory. I wear Classic Ivory in a lot of different foundation brands, and this was just pulling very orange. You can even see like how dark it is. This is like, I think, the second lightest shade in this foundation, and that's crazy that it's actually that dark. So I would not recommend this product. Really, it's just not a good foundation. This is another product that I didn't use up, but I am decluttering, and that's the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. A couple years ago, my skin was a lot drier in the winter. That's because I wasn't taking care of it well. I wasn't moisturizing, and my makeup would kind of be kind of cakey, and I needed like something more moisturizing to set with. But I really don't have that problem anymore. I set with a mattifying spray because my skin does pull more oily, and now that I'm moisturizing it better, it doesn't get cakey really even in the winter. So I'm getting rid of this because it's just taking up space, and I also feel like the fragrance in this product is kind of irritating to my sensitive skin. I used up a big bottle of this Kenra volumizing shampoo. I got it on sale at Ulta. They were having a sale. Jumbos were 50% off, so this was a really good deal. And I love a good volumizing shampoo. I do think it gave my hair volume. I just wasn't a super big fan of the scent. It kind of didn't have much of a scent, and I feel like my hair, anytime I would sweat, like you could just smell the sweat in your hair because there's like no fragrance from the shampoo to block it out. So I don't know, I kind of have mixed feelings about this. I do think it's a good shampoo, but I wish it had a better scent. I used up Cozy Vanilla Bourbon Shower Gel. This smelled so good, like a more mature, sophisticated version of warm vanilla sugar. I will definitely be repurchasing this scent. It's crazy, I've probably had this perfume for like 5 or 6 years. I used up the Chanel Chance. This is probably one of my all-time favorite perfumes. It's just very light, very delicate, very ethereal, very glamorous. You just feel all the things when you wear Chanel Chance. It's a great perfume if you're looking for like a Christmas gift or a Valentine's Day gift, something to ask for. This scent is amazing. I used up 2 of the Urban Decay Perversion mascaras. This truly is the best mascara. I'm just not wasting my money on cheap mascara anymore. I just buy this. It sucks because I think it's all the way up to 30 bucks now. It used to be only 25, and that's a lot to pay for a mascara, but when you have super light eyelashes like me, you just gotta go for the better stuff. I used up a Matrixyl plus HA by The Ordinary. This is like their special version of hyaluronic acid, and I like it a lot better than their regular hyaluronic acid. The regular hyaluronic acid is kind of sticky and it has kind of a weird consistency, but this is like very smooth. It doesn't irritate your skin, and it's so affordable. Definitely the best hyaluronic acid out there. I used up a Smashbox liquid lip in the color Recognized. I love these from Smashbox. They are really the best lipstick. I'm probably gonna wear one of these like maybe on my wedding day. I don't know. I haven't exactly decided, but they're really long wearing and they're very matte and they will not come off for hours. So great lipstick. I used up the Kiehl's Creamy Avocado Eye Treatment. I've been using this product for maybe like 2 years now, and I use it very consistently, and I definitely notice a big difference whenever I like go on vacation and I don't have the product. I definitely think it smooths the under eyes. I think it keeps them hydrated. It's a very expensive product again, but it does the job. I really do like this product and I will recommend it. I used up 2 Estee Lauder Double Wear foundations. Again, I'm like looking for a more affordable everyday drugstore foundation, but every other foundation I try besides this foundation just really sucks in comparison, at least for me having the oily skin. This is just such a great foundation, so timeless, absolutely worth every penny. I used up the Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder. I was on a Dermablend kick for a while, but Dermablend is just so expensive, and I actually think this is better for oily skin. It really does mattify the skin. The Dermablend is nice in winter when you're not as oily, but overall this is a better price point and it's really mattifying. It's a great product by Maybelline. Even though their foundations kind of suck, I really do like their setting powder. I also like this product from Maybelline, the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt. I get the soft brown color and it's very affordable. Unfortunately, I go through these pretty quickly. I go through them about once a month. I think I just kind of threw my other ones away because I figured I only needed one to talk about. But it's a great product. It looks really natural on the brows and it holds really well for such a great price point. I used up a Method Chamomile Starflower Blue Lavender Wind Down Body Wash. This is also one of my favorite body washes. It smells so good. I used up 2 of these Volume and Boost Rhyme and Reason shampoos. Sorry, I'm holding it weird. This one has like shampoo on the bottom, and I'm trying not to drip it on my outfit. But this is just a great, like, everyday affordable shampoo. Again, I wish the scent was better, but I think it's good for oily hair. I used up the CoverGirl Clean and Fresh Skin Milk product in the color Fair. This was absolute trash. Honestly, it barely covers anything. And I think there's like still a little bit left in here, but I was just like, I'm done with this product. I don't like it. I would try to use it for like work from home, for like no makeup, stuff like that, but it doesn't look good. It's not worth the very cheap price that it is. I used up an e.l.f. eyeliner. I've been using this eyeliner for years. I think it's just okay. Again, liquid eyeliner is something I find kind of hard to find, like a good drugstore liquid eyeliner. I've also tried a lot of higher end liquid eyeliners, and I just feel like they're not any better either. I don't know. I used up a mini travel sized Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. This was a very nice cleanser. I got this in an advent calendar last year, and I just finally used it up when traveling. It is very moisturizing, so it's not the greatest for oily skin, but if you have dry skin, check this out. Getting rid of this Ulta Beauty mineral setting powder, it is terrible. Again, I just wanted to try more affordable setting powders out, and this product basically looks like a bronzer on me. It's so dark, even though it's clear. It just makes my skin look really orange, and it's just a no for me. And then I used up a Laneige lip sleeping mask in the pink lemonade scent. I absolutely love these lip sleeping masks. I always have one at my bedside at all times. So those are the products that I've been using recently. Let me know if you've tried out any of these or what other products you think I should try out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!